Hey, what's up? My name is Mr. Popo and we are Popo. In this special case study, we're going to be taking a look at one of my recently favorite studios, COATOFARMS. COATOFARMS is this really amazing studio where they actually take an idea and they make it in such a beautiful explanatory video that is just mind-blowing. Just like what we've seen with Ordinary Folks, did really beautiful stuff. But Ordinary Folks, when they share their project files, it's very simple and they just share a very specific part of their project. But then when I went into COATOFARMS, the project files were really heavy and they were not really organized, but it was really hard to follow. So what I did instead was I chose one of their, at least my most favorite scene of all their creation, and I decided to actually take it on my own way and then probably in the future try to compare how they did it and how I did it. And it turned out we were completely different. The way I did things were completely different from the way they did things. And that's the beauty about sharing project files. And that's why I really encourage people to try to look at other people's project files, because you get to learn ways and techniques that you never thought of before. And that's what struck me into COATOFARMS, which inspired me to even do this special case study, because they've used some techniques and some tricks that are very basic. And I really think that everybody deserves to know all these techniques without any hiding, without anything. You guys really need to know that, and I am so excited. And also I'm really grateful for COATOFARMS to share their knowledge with people, even though the project file size was huge and it was a mess, but it's okay. I'm very excited that I'm gonna be able to share with you guys in a very explanatory, very tutorial friendly way. I'm pretty sure that everybody's gonna enjoy this because this is really beautiful, and in the same way we're gonna learn a lot. My name is Mr. Popo and I'll see you guys on the next one. Pew!